How to verify age on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your age on TikTok. So if your account isn't showing age-appropriate features like going live, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Now, go to your profile by tapping the little person icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Support section, then tap Report a Problem. From here, tap Account and Profile and then Manage Account. After that, choose something like I want to make my account secure. When TikTok asks, "Is your problem solved?" tap No. This will give you the Need More Help option. Tap it to open a TikTok support ticket. Now select Account, and in the message box, write something like this. "Hello TikTok, I'd like to verify my age. My date of birth is your DOB. Please verify my account. Thank you." Be sure to include your username too. You don't have to copy this exactly. Just make it clear and polite. Once your message is ready, tap Send. After 24 to 48 hours, TikTok may ask for additional verification. Once that's done, your account can be officially verified as 18+, which unlocks features like going live. And that's it. Following these steps is the easiest way to get your TikTok age verified.